In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize charts on TradingView. Easy shortcuts to reset to default view 2025. Let's start by opening TradingView and loading any chart you're comfortable practicing on. A simple example is a major index or a demo asset. This gives you a safe place to experiment without worrying about changing anything important in your main workspace. Once the chart is open, you're ready to adjust how it looks and how much space each panel uses. If you're working with a multi-chart layout, resizing is quick and visual. Move your cursor to the border between two charts in the grid. When you're on the edge, your cursor changes to a resize indicator. Click and drag that divider to make one chart larger and the neighboring one smaller. Release the mouse when you like the balance. You can do this along vertical or horizontal dividers, and the layout adjusts instantly. If you drag too far, one panel may get very small. Don't worry, just drag the divider back until everything looks right again. If you don't see a divider, double check that you're actually in a multi-chart layout because single chart views won't show those grid handles. Now, after you've resized or done a lot of zooming and panning, the view can feel a bit off. This is where resetting the chart view is incredibly helpful. Right-click anywhere inside the chart area. Aim for the blank plotting space rather than a drawing or indicator so the proper menu appears. In the context menu, click Reset Chart View. This command snaps the viewport back to a clean default look, fitting the visible data so price action is centered and easy to read. It's perfect if you lose your place after zooming in on a candle or scrolling far into the past. A quick note on what Reset Chart View does and does not do. It resets your zoom and scroll, but it does not delete your indicators, drawings, or change your symbol or time frame. It also doesn't undo your grid resizing. If you've expanded one chart in a multi-chart layout, that sizing remains until you drag the dividers again. Think of it as a visual reset for what you're looking at, not a structural reset of your layout. To recap, open a chart you can practice on, resize panels in a multi-chart layout by dragging the dividers, and when things get cluttered or zoomed in too far, right-click and choose Reset Chart View. With these basics, you'll keep your charts tidy, focused, and ready for analysis in just a couple of clicks.